Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading. More specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you're going to find across the markets today. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of one of our morning gap trades from today. This particular trade today gave a $1.74 maximum gain in 1 minute of trading. We'll get back to that in a second. First, let me explain a couple of things about gap trading. First, let me explain a little bit about what I do and what gap trading is all about. So I do a couple of things. I teach a course where traders learn two specific gap trading strategies. The first one is known as the morning gap trades. This is where stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open, generally from an earnings announcement or some other related news event. When stocks gap higher or lower, it creates opportunities for traders. And the opportunity is when traders can identify a specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. In my course, traders learn all the criteria that's necessary in order to trade the gaps each and every day. Which stocks does this work the best with? What type of volume on the stocks are we looking for? How much of a gap higher or lower are we looking for at a bare minimum? And most importantly, how do you calculate the specific price where these stocks will have a price reaction in the other direction? All that and a whole lot more is taught in my course at Lazy Gap Trader. The other thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them each and every morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the markets even opened for business. Here's a copy of the email that went out to my traders this morning. As you can see, it came to the inbox at 9:01 a.m. and that's Eastern Standard Time. We had 7 potential gap trades on the board today, and I was a little surprised because we're in the middle of Thanksgiving Day holiday week, and therefore the trading tends to get relatively light. However, there were 7 opportunities on the board today, and out of these 7 opportunities, so far today, 1 hit the specific price level that we identified and had that price reaction in the other direction. It was Signet Jewelers, HIG. We're going to go over this chart in detail in a second. You see here where I say gap lower, support levels are $60.14. That's an important number, and I'll get back to that when we look at the chart. $58.26 and then $54.05 is another potential trading opportunity. Stop and profit target is about 30 to 60 cents. These are minimum profit targets. We'll talk more about that when we get to the chart. Right now, we're looking at a 10-minute chart of Signet Jewelers, and you can see here where the stock closed yesterday all the way up at $75.80. The stock was getting creamed at the open, and you'll remember from the morning email, the first level identified was $60.14. The stock opened the day below that level. As the morning went on, it got lower and lower and lower, all the way down below $60.14. My traders that have taken the course know exactly what to do when that happens. When a stock opens below the first level identified, that trade gets wiped off the board and we look immediately to the second level. Now on the 10-minute chart, it looks like the stock cut through the second level, which was $58.26. However, let's go back to a 1-minute chart for a second. Now you can see a little bit more magnified exactly what happened. As you can see in the 3rd minute of the day, the stock made a low of $58.20, just 6 cents below the second level identified. 1 minute later, the stock was at a high of $60 even for a gain of $1.74 in 1 minute of trading. That's a maximum gain, and traders could have taken a profit at anywhere in between along the way. But as you can see, the level of $58.26 was absolutely respected, just as was identified in the email that went out to my traders at 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rang. Now keep in mind, these are the same exact price levels that traders who take my course at Lazy Gap Trader are able to calculate and identify for themselves. There's no magic here. Everything you need to know is taught in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. Folks, this is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the remainder of your trading career. This is a strategy that works over and over and over again. You can see by evidence of all the videos that are posted each and every day on YouTube that identify every single stock that my members are playing every single day. It's a fantastic strategy, and if you want to learn more about it, come over to lazygaptrader.com. You can learn everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. I'm David Frost, lazygaptrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, folks.